Good day guys, welcome to today's video tutorial on how to calculate ratios in Excel. Whether you are working with financial data, analysis, statistics, or just need to figure out ratio for everyday tasks, Excel can help you simplify the process. In this video, I will walk you through the 3 straightforward methods to calculate ratios, making it easy for everyone to understand. We will explore the GCD function, the custom number formatting, and the text function. By the end of this video tutorial, you'll be able to be a pro at calculating ratio in Excel. All right, calculating ratio using the GCD method. Now let's start with the first method, which is using the GCD, which is called Greatest Common Divisor function. The GCD function helps us to find the simplest ratio between two numbers. For example, when calculating the ratio of 1920 and 1080, right? So the answer will be 16:9 if you calculate at your hand there. To achieve this simplified ratio in Excel, the first thing to do is to create two columns, one for width, which I have already created, and another one for the height value. In the third column, enter this formula, which I'm going to show you right now, which is equal to GCD. Okay, then open your bracket, then which is I want to calculate the ratio of these two numbers, which I'm going to pick the A2 and what and the B2. Okay, then I'm going to close the parentheses and I'm going to enter. So now in the cell C2, you can copy it to the entire column. So the answer gives 5. So you can copy the entire value in the cell C column. Okay, now the formula calculate the greatest common divisor for the given number, ensuring you have the simplest ratio possible. Next, you can calculate the ratio itself. Now in the cell D2, enter this formula. Okay, just enter this formula. So if that is equal to I want to calculate the ratio of between the cell A and B. Okay, so I'm going to enter A2, which is what? Okay, cool. Which is I'm going to divide it by what? C2. Okay, then I'm going to use and. Okay, I'm going to use and. Then there will be parentheses that to separate the column, which is the ratio there. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to use column to separate the parentheses there. Then I'm going to use this and function again. Then this, so B2 then divided by what? C2. Okay, so I'm going to press my word enter key. You can see, wow, so it gives me the ratio between the weight and height, which is 190 and 15, gives what? Ratio 38 ratio 3. So I'm going to copy to the remaining cell. Okay, just double click on this to copy to the remaining cell. That is it. This formula divides the value in a column A and B by the GCD in column what? C. This resulting ratio is displayed as width ratio height. You can use this method for calculating ratio with 3 or more numbers as well. So now let's delve into the second method. All right, our second method employs the custom numbers formatting to display ratio. Why it show ratio with a forward slash? So just compared to this the first method we use here that show the column. So here we are going to experience the forward slash instead of the column. It is an adding option. Here is how to do that. Create a column. Okay, create a column for width. Okay, and width and height with a value, and calculate the division in the third column, just like what we did in the previous example. Okay, select the entire division in the column C, just like I did here. Then press Ctrl 1. Okay, so after doing that, then in the format cell dialog, go to the number section, then click on what the custom section right here. Okay, now in the type field right here, just type hash divided by hash. Okay, and press what? Okay, you can see now your division result are displayed as a ratio in the format with width divided by what? Height. What a great about this method is that you can still use this decimal value in calculation while displaying ratios in your spreadsheet. Okay, in the third method, which is how to calculate ratio using the test function right here, you can see, so I have the width, I have the height, and I have the ratio. Our final method involves using the test function along with the substitute function to display ratio with a column. Okay, here is how it works. Then firstly is to create a column for width, okay, and then height value, and in the top column calculate the divisor between the A and what? A B. Okay, in the C2, just enter this formula that I'm going to show you right here. Okay, just type substitute. Okay, substitute. Okay, then test. Okay, close the bracket again, then A2 divided by what? B2. Okay, so then comma, just open your parentheses, then hash divided by what? Hash. Okay, so then close your parentheses right here, then close your bracket. Okay, then give it a comma, then your parentheses again, then comma, then your parentheses again. Note, because I'm going to parentheses. Okay, then quotes. Okay, then slash quotes again. Okay, give it a comma, then open another quote, then give it a comma, because I'm going to give it a column. Yeah, then close the wall, then close the wall, the bracket, enter what you can see. Wow, that is it. You can just copy the remaining part to the other cell. You can see that is it. This formula uses the test function to format the division result as weight divided by what? Height, and then employ the substitute to replace the forward slash with a colon. This gives you the test value that can be customized further. For instance, you can append this. You can append this test before or after the ratio. By utilizing these three methods, you can effortlessly calculate ratio in Excel, whether it is for technical analysis, design, or each approach has its advantage. So choose the one the best suit for your need. Okay, I hope you find this Excel tutorial helpful in demystifying the process of calculating ratios, whether you prefer the simplicity of the GCD functions, which I have showed here, the clean appearance of a custom number, which I have shown here, or the flexibility of the test function. Excel offers versatile solution to your ratio calculation needs. Okay, feel free to experiment with this method and apply them to various scenarios in your data analytics journey. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Excel tutorial. Thank you and stay blessed.